Hi there, students. To indemnify, a verb, indemnification, the noun, and indemnity, another noun as well. Okay, let's see. If you indemnify somebody against something, you promise to pay them if they suffer a damage or a loss. So you get an insurance policy that covers while you're driving. If you hurt somebody, it indemnifies you. It will pay that person an indemnity. You can also have an indemnity from prosecution. The lawyers told him that he would be indemnified against prosecution if he gave evidence on behalf of the state. The government has promised to indemnify farmers in case of certain losses. Okay, so it's to promise to pay an amount of money if somebody suffers loss or damage, or to protect somebody against legal responsibility for their actions. Okay, so you can't sue the company because it has had an indemnity from the government. The government has indemnified them. I think soldiers that belong to the army of a state are indemnified for acts of war. So if in a war a soldier destroys your house, then they don't have to pay for it. Okay, so to be indemnified against liabilities. I think this word to indemnify, this is a very legal and financial word. So let's see, to indemnify, to compensate somebody for harm or for loss, to reimburse them, to compensate for them, to pay them back for it. Or to indemnify, to give somebody safety against legal liabilities, normally money but not always, for their actions. So to insure, to guarantee, to protect somebody against. Okay, so if you indemnify someone against something bad happening, it means you promise to protect them, particularly financially. Okay, the company doesn't have enough money to indemnify everybody, and this is going to mean the bankruptcy of the company. Okay, so to indemnify, to compensate for a loss sustained for expenses occurred because something bad has happened, or to provide a guarantee against an anticipated loss or against something bad happening. So to indemnify, to insure, to underwrite, or to recompense, to repair, to compensate, to reimburse. Okay, the government agreed to indemnify anybody who had suffered loss as a result of the outbreak. Okay, so to indemnify somebody for something, to compensate, to pay them back, or to indemnify somebody against something, to give a person a guarantee that they won't have to pay it or that they won't be responsible. Okay, so, and then we have an indemnity, which is the money that you pay. Yeah. It's the repayment or the compensation. So, for example, if you have a loss, you pay the insurance company. So, if you have a loss, you pay the insurance company. So, if you have a loss, you pay the insurance company. So, if you have a loss, you pay the insurance company. So, if you have a loss, you pay the insurance company. So, if you have a loss, you pay the insurance company. So, if you have a loss, you pay the insurance company. So, if you have a loss, you pay the insurance company. So, if you have a loss, you pay the insurance company. So, if you have a loss, you pay the insurance company. So, if you have a loss, you pay the insurance company. So, if you have a loss, you pay the insurance company. So, if you have a loss, you pay the insurance company. So, if you have a loss, you pay the insurance company. So, if you have a loss, you pay the insurance company. So, if you have a loss, you pay the insurance company. So, if you have a loss, you pay the insurance company. So, if you have a loss, you pay the insurance company. So, if you have a loss, you pay the insurance company. So, if you have a the company sacked him and had to give him an indemnity because this was unfair dismissal. Also, an indemnity, a guarantee that says that you're not going to suffer from it, particularly an indemnity against prosecution or something like that. Okay, let's see. This word is legal and maybe business. I think I would give it a 6 informality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation. I wouldn't use it informally at all. You could use it in a semi-formal writing as well, or something formal, particularly a legal document or a contract or something like that. And then as to origin, this comes from Latin through French, from Latin indemnis, in, not, and damnum, hurt, damaged, wrong. Yeah, this word damnum is clearly related to damn or to damn, to condemn. Yeah, so indemnis, unhurt. Okay, so to indemnify, to guarantee that somebody won't have to pay something or that they won't be prosecuted for their actions. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Indemnify, indemnity.